You work hard for your money, right? You spend countless hours at your job, putting in the effort to earn every dollar. But what if I told you that your money could work just as hard for you? But did you know your money can work for you? It's true. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your money grow while you sleep, or while you're out enjoying life. It's not just a dream, it's a reality that many people are already experiencing. It's like planting a seed that grows into a big tree. Just as a tree starts from a small seed and grows over time, your investments can start small and grow into something substantial. The key is patience and the right strategy. That's what investing in the stock market can do. By putting your money into stocks, you're giving it the potential to grow exponentially. The stock market has historically provided higher returns than other forms of investments. Investing might sound scary, like something only rich people do. Not true. Many people think that investing is only for the wealthy, but that's a misconception. You don't need a fortune to start investing. Anyone can invest, even with a little bit of money. Even if you start with just a few dollars, those small investments can add up over time. The important thing is to start and to be consistent. This guide will teach you the basics to get started. We'll cover everything from choosing the right stocks to understanding market trends. You'll learn how to make informed decisions that can help you grow your wealth. Remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more hot stock tips. By staying connected, you'll get regular updates and tips that can help you on your investment journey. We're gonna make you rich. Imagine the feeling of financial freedom, where you no longer have to worry about money. That's the goal, and it's achievable with the right approach. Investing in the stock market is one of the best ways to build wealth over time. It's a proven method that has helped countless people achieve their financial goals. With the right knowledge and tools, you can do it too. It's how you turn your hard-earned cash into even more cash. Ready to get started? Let's do it. The journey to financial success begins with a single step. Are you ready to take that step today? What exactly are stocks? Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you are essentially buying a piece of that company. Imagine your favorite company is a giant pie. This pie represents the total value of the company. When you buy stock, you're buying a tiny slice of that pie. This slice is your share of the company. That makes you a shareholder, part owner of the company. You and other shareholders collectively own the company. As the company makes more money, your slice becomes more valuable. The better the company performs, the more your investment grows. That's how you make money in the stock market. By holding onto your shares as the company grows, you can see significant returns. You can sell your slice later for a profit. When the value of your shares increases, you can sell them for more than you paid. But remember, just like a real pie, the value can go down too. Companies can face challenges, and their stock prices can drop. That's why it's important to choose your investments carefully. Research and understand the companies you invest in to make informed decisions. Diversifying your investments can also help manage risk. By owning shares in different companies, you can protect yourself from the ups and downs of any single stock. Stay informed and keep an eye on market trends. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. With careful planning and smart choices, you can enjoy the sweet rewards of investing in the stock market. Before you start buying stocks, you gotta do your homework. It's not just about picking a company you like or one that your friend recommended. You need to understand the fundamentals of the stock market and how it operates. You wouldn't buy a car without checking the engine, right? Same goes for stocks. Research different companies, read financial news, and get a grasp on their financial health. Look at their earnings reports, balance sheets, and market position. Understand what makes their stock prices go up or down. Is it market trends, company performance, or external factors like economic conditions? Knowing these can help you make informed decisions. Don't just buy something because your friend told you to. Everyone has different financial goals and risk tolerance. What works for them might not work for you. Remember, investing always has risks. You could lose money, the stock market can be volatile, and prices can fluctuate wildly. Be prepared for ups and downs. Start small and learn as you go. Don't rush into big investments without understanding the market. Use small amounts to test your strategies and learn from your mistakes. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Always have a safety net and make sure your essential expenses are covered before putting money into the stock market. Investing should be a part of your financial plan, not a gamble. Section 4. Picking your platform, where to put your money. Ready to start buying stocks? Well, you'll need a brokerage account. Think of it like your stock market shopping cart. There are many platforms to choose from, like Robinhood, Fidelity, or TD Ameritrade. These platforms let you buy and sell stocks easily, right from your phone. And hey, they often have educational resources for beginners too. Section 5, Smart Starts, Baby Steps to Big Bucks. Now that you're ready to invest, here are some simple strategies. Start small. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify. Think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient. Invest regularly. Even small amounts add up over time. Most importantly, don't be afraid to get started. Taking that first step is the key to growing your wealth.